Maggie Miller, and I'm here at the buzzing expo hall of IoT World 2019. And I have with me Christian Lutz. He is the CEO of Createio. So thank you for stopping by.
Thank you for having me. It's great.
So let's start talking about trends that you're seeing in the industrial IoT space right now.
Yeah, so our technology enables IoT backends, and what we see as a trend now is that these IoT projects start from growing from POCs into really large deployments now, where a lot of shop floors get connected, a lot of factories get online, and real-time activity is happening.
So tell me a little bit about what Createio is doing to put machine data to work.
So we're a specialized technology, an IoT database technology for machine data, and that means it's perfectly suited to store billions of rows of sensor data and combine this with relational data from other systems in the factory and have a real-time SQL to access that data, which means every developer in the world can access this high-scaling technology.
And Industry 4.0, that's a buzzword, but it's been called the next revolution. So what are you doing to help guide your customers through that process of digital transformation?
A lot of IoT projects get stuck after visualization.
Yeah.
So that means they collect a lot of the data, they store the data, and then maybe they visualize it, but they don't close the loop. And closing the loop means that you are able to trigger action that goes back to the shop floor and impacts the workers on the shop floor. And with the technology that we provide, which is a real-time data store for large industrial IoT projects, you can collect the data, you can analyze the data, and then trigger real-time action to the shop floor to improve your overall equipment efficiency and reduce waste and all of these benefits.
And we know that manufacturers, they must make those instant decisions. So what kind of features do you have in your solution to help them make those fast decisions that they need to make?
Sure. The key to be able to have fast decision making is that you turn data that you collect from the sensors into actual information. So that's an enrichment process that we provide with our enrichment engine. And then you can use that to feed an alerting platform and a monitoring platform, which can be self-configured. And then we enable such companies to create triggers and alerts when trends are happening, predictions, can see a problem coming up, or just a benchmark has been hit and somebody has to quickly react to avoid a line stoppage, for example.
And finally, can you share a cool case study with us?
Sure. So for example, in North America, we power the factories of a company named Alpla. You won't know them, but they produce all the plastic bottles that you have in your shower or in your fridge for Procter and Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson. And they have 17 factories in North America with over 170 production lines. And we collect the sensor data from all of that production lines, push it into the cloud. It's being analyzed, visualized, and predictions are being made. And then alerts are happening to the workers at the shop floor, who then can instantly react to problems at the shop floor.
Wow, so cutting edge. Well, thank you for sharing all this with us. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much. It's great to be here.